Hello guys, in this video let's measure what is the noise of the Volkswagen E-Up. I don't have the E sound that needs to alarm the pedestrians whenever the electrical car is approaching. So let's see how quiet or noisy is the car. I will drive with around 50 kilometers per hour and measure the noise. So let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. The sound actually was mostly from the wheels that are going to the road and not the car itself. So I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.